cockpit. So we'll go inside the cockpit of the bomber. So this is the inside of the cockpit of the bomber. Wow, look at that. Oh my, this is World War II. See that? Guys, this is the B-53 atomic bomb, which was dropped in where? I don't know. Wait. Anyway, so this is the atomic bomb. There you go. Oh, there's a helicopter, oh.
No, I want to ride it.
No, you cannot ride it.
Why? I want to be a pilot.
You want to be a pilot?
Yeah.
Oh, oh wow. This was during the Burma roads taken over by China and isolated. Grabe, ang laki. This was during Vietnam War. Oh, Vietnam War. Lonzo, look. During Vietnam War.
Wanna ride?
Grabe. United States Army.
Let's go back.